Alright, it's your boy Grand Dizzy here. I hope everybody's doing okay. So just want to make a quick video for you guys. I'm right here at Harley Davidson dealership, and as you guys know, the last video that I made a swap out the battery, and I told you guys that I think there's nothing wrong with the battery. Well, guys, my guess was right. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the battery. So I took it upon myself and swapped it up same day, which was last night. And then I put it back on the battery tender, and I was ready to go. Wake up this morning, everything was tight and everything was fully charged as it's supposed to be, and it was ready to go. So, looks like I have a little rust down there. I've been riding in rain for the past few days now, so what's up with that? Just looking to that. Oh, it's not a rust. I'm gonna be like, what? Like a dust and some mud got caught in there. Anyway, I have my little handy dandy earplugs, like I always tell you guys about. This is a game changer. You go to Home Depot, Lowe's, any kind of hardware store, it's like $4. Even Walmart, I believe they sell that at Walmart. Super cheap, but this will save your ears. I promise you guys, man. I love this. Ever since I started riding this bike for like 40 days straight and all that kind of mess that I made, this saved my life, man. Saved my ears, and I'll never go back. I'd never even ride my bike without it, you know. I have a whole bunch right here inside my my sound pouch, and I have some in my jacket. I have some in my my thigh bag, whatever they call it. But yeah, I returned the damn battery, save my money, and I don't have to worry about having an extra battery sitting there, because I know that the research that I made, guys, I know people that have made these that has had their battery for like 5 years. You know, I watch videos, I do a lot of research, so I was a little bit confused, like, why is my bike, like, why is the battery dying so soon? And you know, apparently it's not dead. It was the positive terminal. Like you guys know, as soon as I removed it here, the positive terminal was like kind of loose, you know. So my OCD say, you know, it was double work for me, but guess what? I saved all that money. I don't have to worry about it. So now I know at least I'm good for, I don't know, for whenever, how long it's gonna take for me to buy a new battery, you know. But we are the Harley. They have some new collections. That looks very nice. All these baggers, and anytime you come here, they try to sell you stuff. So my face was a little bit mean today. You know, I was not very friendly, because I am not ready for anybody to sell me a bike. But you know what I can tell you? I used to love this bike. I was looking into that. If you look at the pill-shaped light, this is the Fat Bob. They don't even make it anymore. I think they stopped making it at 2021, I believe so. They do sell them in Europe, no more in America. So everything else, if you're looking for this type of bike, is gonna be a pre-owned. But this, it was between this and the Sportster S, because this right here looks very sick. It looks, it is pre-owned, obviously, but yeah, they have a little CC bar right there. And it looks very, very nice, guys. Look at a big fat tie, just like the, you know, the Sportster. It looks very, very, very nice. I was really looking into this. I think the color that I was looking for was red, but I just happened to see it, you know. But the rest of them, you know, old people. I'm sorry, not old people, but you know what I'm talking about. Old school. Baggers, whatever they call it. I still love my Sportster. I'm gonna ride it until it can't ride no more. So just want to give you guys a quick update about the battery. There was nothing wrong with the battery, but at least I showed you guys how to replace it. So if you want to know how to do it, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere in the video so you guys can see on how to replace it. And I guess I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Man, this bike is extremely dirty, man. I don't remember the last time I washed it. I've never washed it, honestly. I will wipe it down clean and all that, but I've never washed it. Last week I got caught in the rain and I was drenched, like drenched. Wet wasn't even the word. I was drenched out. So I'm gonna end this video here with love, peace, and joy. Guys, we have a Labor Day weekend coming. This is the Labor Day week. So you guys enjoy it, and we shall see you guys in the next video. Adios.